All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop trading, proprietary trading, and other things. So let's go ahead and get into the risk disclaimer. There's something like this. Well, first, I live in the United States, and to my knowledge, this is required by law. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I am a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade the funds you can comfortably afford to lose. The CFTC risk disclosure goes something like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's go get straight into it with this. Oh, so checking out some new funding challenges. So we'll get out of that. Here we go. Let's get into the. Which one do I want to do first? Let's go in order of liquidity. Let's do the alphabetical order. First, here is the Aussie versus the dollar, the Australian dollar versus the dollar. Something's going to happen soon because we've got convergence of all these little lines in here, our trend lines. However, we don't know what that is. So because it is flat line, it cannot get any flatter than that. So this is affectionately known as the summer doldrums right now because everyone else is not trading. They are at the beach or somewhere, the market movers. People that actually move the market, like the people at the Fed and the Bank of the, I don't know what you call it, the European Bank or EU Bank, for lack of a better term. So the Aussie, not much going on. We do have some news coming up later on in the week, right here. As a matter of fact, tonight I think we have. No, it's tomorrow. The RBA rate decision, Royal Bank of Australia rate decision. So how about that? So we'll see what they're going to do. They're expected to cut 25 pips. It's probably may already be priced in, and I'm a little bit leery of just setting up a trade on that because of what happened with the pound last week. Pound cut rates, and it went up against the dollar, which I thought was very interesting. Usually when you cut rates, it drives the currency downward. So we're going to skip out on that and go straight into the next one. No trade for the Aussie. No trade for the euro either. That is again about as flat as you can make it. Not really going anywhere. Kind of stuck at 116.5. Nope, not going to touch it, and it's stuck at a psychological level of 0.5 or 50 area. So I'm not even going to joke around about trading that today. Here we have the GJ, the Great British Pound versus the Japanese Yen. Looks like it's not going anywhere either right now. It's kind of got off to a weak start to the week after last week's, or that's 2 weeks worth of rally right there. Looking for a turnaround around here, around 199.25 or 199 could get stopped out there and then start heading south from there. We'll see what happens. But it's not tradable right now, though. Not in my book. Not with my strategy. The pound versus the dollar, and Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, is now joining me. He's saying also stay out of the markets too because this is not really going anywhere either. The pound versus the dollar looks like it might one day decide to go somewhere, but again, we're watching that trend line to see where it's gonna respect it or break it. I'm again expecting a break. But it's not going to be confirmed until about 134.14. So after that, we'll see about that. Dollar versus the Canadian. We'll put a line right there too. Well, it'll let me put in a line right there. Backspace. We need a horizontal line. So we'll go here, and Henry's bored with that. So that's what I want that, and I want that to be green. No, I want that to be green too. And where is it going to put the writing for that? No, who knows. So we'll make that a horizontal support line that I'll consider a trade once it crosses below that line. Let's see the UCAD. Let's see what's going on with the UCAD. Again, not much going on. That's pretty flat. Nothing going on with the UCAD. I'm not a big fan of the UCAD. I've been burned a lot on it because I did not have the strategy I'm using right now, because it bounced right off that trend line right there, and is following this trend line very nicely. So I like the trend line strategy. I'm going to keep using it. Not as many trades, not as many stupid trades either. And the dollar versus the yen, well, that is super flat. So we're not going to have anything going on there either. In the meantime, if you like this video, then by all means, like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll keep making them. I'm going to keep making them anyway, because these videos serve as my trading journal and allows me to bounce ideas off of myself before I throw money at before I inject money in the market. Oh, wait a minute. So what gold's going to do? Oh, look, gold broke the trend line overnight and is now back in bearish territory right after it crosses into the Smart Money Concepts red area, sell area. So you can probably expect that to stay in this range for a little while. So it's probably going to come down to around 33, bounce back up to 34, and probably do that for a while. We might get into a buy on gold down around here, considering I can now do that using these nifty little trading programs that I have built here in DX Trade. I've never used DX Trade before, but I'm liking it. But that's what we've got going on so far. And silver, let's take a quick look at silver. Silver mimicking gold. Gave up 38. Probably going to come down to around 36.7 and then bounce back off of that into 38-ish territory, unless something breaks fundamentally with the way that central banks are funding themselves, I said. So with that, I'm going to get back into, if you like this channel, by all means, subscribe and like. And in the meantime, you guys have a great one. Happy trading and good luck today. Talk to you soon.